Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to buy options on Interactive Brokers step by step. I'll be showing you this on the desktop version using Trader Workstation. First, open the Trader Workstation application. You'll find this in your Applications folder or on your desktop. Once it launches, you'll need to authenticate using the two-factor authentication prompt on your mobile app. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Trading Tools menu in the top left corner of the screen. Click on it, and in the pop-up menu, select Option Trader from the Options section. The Option Trader window will open with a toolbar, option chains, and multiple panels. Now, in the white input field at the top left-hand corner of the Option Trader window, type the ticker symbol of the stock you want to trade options on, press Enter, and pick the right one from the list. You'll see the panels update with values for your selected stock, and the option chain will populate. Next, choose your expiration date by clicking one of the tabs along the top of the option chain screen. You'll see call options display on the left-hand side and put options on the right, with strike prices running down the middle column. Now, review the option chain and pick your strike price. The middle strike column is color-coded. Solid blue indicates options close to the money, while lighter blue and gray indicate options out of the money. Once you've found it, click on the Ask Price for your chosen option contract. If you're buying a call, click the Ask Price under the Calls section on the left of the strike. If you're buying a put, click the Ask Price under the Put section on the right. The option will populate the Order Entry panel on the right-hand side of the screen. In that Order Entry panel, review your order details. You'll see the quantity, order type, time in force, and limit price. The limit price is preset to the ask price, but you may need to adjust it if the market has moved. Make any changes you need. When you're ready, click the Submit Order button at the bottom of the Order Ticket panel. Your order will now appear in the Orders tab of the Trading panel. Once it fills, the contract will show up in your portfolio with Position 1, meaning you've bought one option contract. A couple of quick things: if you want faster access to Option Trader in future, you can add it to your toolbar by going to Configure, then Add More Buttons, then Option Trader button. Also, if you see an order confirmation screen pop up, you can disable it by checking Don't Display This Message Again so it doesn't slow you down next time. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.